Hello students. How are you? I hope all of you are enjoying good health and your studies are going properly. Students, in the previous class I completed exercise 1A. Today we will discuss some properties of rational numbers. I have underlined here in the book. I think all of you are able to see the underlined lines. Although I have prepared notes for these properties, so I will explain these properties from my notes. Let us start. Some more properties. Number 1, the property of 0. What is the property of 0? When 0 is added to a rational number, we get the same rational number. This is known as 0 property. Means when we add 0 to a rational number, then we get the same rational number. 0 is known as the additive identity or the identity element for the addition of rational number. In general, let a upon b is a rational number. In general, let a upon b be any rational number, then a upon b plus 0. When we add 0 to a upon b, it is equals a upon b. And when we add a upon b to 0, then also we will get a upon b. Let us make clear it by some examples. Suppose this is a rational number minus 3 upon 7. If we add 0 to this rational number, what we get? We get the same rational number as answer. If we are adding 0 to this 2 upon 5, again we will get the same rational number as answer. If we are adding 0, this time we are adding this 0 to the rational number 3 upon 5, then again we will get the same rational number. So when we add 0 to a rational number, or if we add any rational number to 0, suppose we are writing like this. Here we are adding rational number to 0, and in these examples we are adding 0 to rational number. Then in both the cases we get the same rational number as answer. So since after adding 0 to a rational number we get the same rational number as sum, so 0 is known as additive identity or identity element for the addition. Now come to property number 2. It is property of 1. What is the property of 1? When a rational number is multiplied by 1, the product is the same rational number. This is known as multiplicative property. 1 is known as the multiplicative identity. In general, let a upon b be any rational number, then a upon b multiplied by 1, we get the same rational number a upon b. And when a1 is multiplied by any rational number, then also we get the same rational number. Means, let us see some example. Suppose this is a rational number 3 upon 7. When we multiply it by 1, then we get the same rational number as answer. Suppose this is minus 2 upon 5, multiply by 1, then again we get the same rational number minus 2 upon 5. Here we are multiplying this 1. This time we are multiplying this 1 by 3 upon 7. What is the difference? These two example, between these two example. Here we are multiplying this 3 upon 7 by 1. And here we are multiplying 1 by this 3 upon 7. In both the cases we get the same rational number as answer. So since by multiplying by 1 to any rational number we get the same rational number as product, therefore 1 is known as the multiplicative identity. Here we are getting the same rational number by multiplying 1, so 1 is known as multiplicative identity. Here in the first property we are getting the same rational number as answer by adding 0, so 0 is known as additive identity. Now next third property is additive inverse or negative of a rational number. Inverse means opposite. If we ask what is the opposite of 7? 7 means plus 7. And if I am asking opposite of 7 means opposite of plus 7, then opposite of plus 7 will be minus 7. And if I am asking what is the opposite of minus 3, it will be plus 3. So what are additive inverse? Additive inverse of a positive integer is obtained by just writing a negative sign before it. See here, if I am writing 3 upon 5 and I ask you to write its additive inverse. This is positive plus 3 upon 5. We will put a minus sign before this 3 upon 5. Then this minus 3 upon 5 will be additive inverse of 3 upon 5. In general, let A upon B be any rational number, then minus A upon B is its additive inverse. See here, if it is 3 upon 7, what is its additive inverse? It will be minus 3 upon 7. And if it is minus 1 upon 5, then what is its additive inverse? Its additive inverse will be plus 1 upon 5. So see here, in general, let A upon B be any rational number, then minus A upon B is its additive inverse, and is a rational number, then A upon B plus minus A upon B is equal minus A upon B plus A upon B is equal 0. Students, try to understand it like this. See, if I am writing here plus 3 and then its additive inverse, I am writing plus 3, then its additive inverse will be minus 3. When we add a number and its additive inverse, then it is equal 0. See, it will be 3 and it will be minus 3 equal 0. If I am taking first 2 upon 7 plus, it is plus 2 upon 7, so its additive inverse will be minus 2 upon 7. When we add this 2 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7, 2 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7 is equal 0. If I am writing minus 3 upon 5, it is minus 3 upon 5, then its additive inverse will be plus 3 upon 5. When we solve this, again we will get 0. So sum of a rational number and its additive inverse is 0. Property number 4. Reciprocal of a rational number. What is the reciprocal of a rational number? How can we write reciprocal of a rational number? To get the reciprocal of a rational number, the numerator and the denominator are interchanged. In a rational number, if we want to write its reciprocal, then numerator and its denominator are interchanged. See, this is 1 upon 4. I am not taking 1 upon 4, I am taking 3 upon 4. This is its numerator and this is its denominator. So its reciprocal will be 4 upon 3. this denominator will be written in numerator and this numerator will be written in denominator. If it is minus 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, then it will be written as minus 5 upon 2. It's reciprocal. In reciprocal, sign doesn't change. Reciprocal of a positive rational number will be positive. Reciprocal of a negative rational number will be negative. But in additive inverse, sign changed. If it is minus 1 upon 5, then its reciprocal will be 5 upon 1. Minus 5 upon 1. Minus 5 upon 1 means minus 5. In the same way, what will be reciprocal of minus 7? Minus 7 means minus 7 upon 1. So its reciprocal will be minus 1 upon 7. So in general, the reciprocal of a rational number a upon b is given by b upon a, and it is denoted by a upon b power minus 1, or we can say that a upon b whole power minus 1 is equal b upon a. If we want to write reciprocal of 2 upon 3, we can also write like this: 2 upon 3 power minus 1. It is 3 upon 2. Next point, 0 has no reciprocal. There is no reciprocal for 0. The reciprocal of 1 is 1 and the reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. Student, remember these 2 points. These 2 points can be asked just like true false or fill in the blanks also. Next property is distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Let a upon b, c upon d and e upon f are any 3 rational numbers. Then a upon b multiply by c upon d plus e upon f. Then this a upon b first multiply by this c upon d within bracket. Then this plus sign a upon b multiply by this e upon f within second bracket. This is distributive property of multiplication over addition. In the same way, a upon b multiply c upon d minus e upon f equal a upon b multiply by c upon d. Then this minus here, a upon b multiply by e upon f. This is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So students, I think all these 5 properties should be clear to you. Now let us start exercise 1b, which is based on these properties. See here. It's question number 1 and 2. I am explaining you in the book. You will do it in the notebook. First question is fill in the blanks. 1 upon 9 multiply by 0. You know, when we multiply any number by 0, then we get answer 0. We get product as 0. Next, 6 upon 11 multiply, fill in the blank, equal 1. One rational number is given 6 upon 11. Then by what rational number we will multiply to this number so that we can get the product 1. If we multiply this 6 upon 11 by its reciprocal, reciprocal of 6 upon 11 will be 11 upon 6. 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11, 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. Then it will be equal to 1. After a, b is this. See here. The additive inverse of minus 2 upon 15 is. We have to write here additive inverse. Inverse means opposite. Additive. What we do to write additive inverse? We change its sign. If it is minus, then we will write plus. Additive inverse of minus 2 upon 15, it will be 2 upon 15. Only we will change the sign. Number will remain same. Students, remember, If we want to write additive inverse, then we have to change the sign. If we want to write multiplicative inverse, then we have to change numerator and denominator. Or we can say multiplicative inverse is also known as reciprocal. In reciprocal, we do not change the sign. In additive inverse, we change the sign. C we have done. Come to D. Minus 11 upon 13 plus 0. Just now I explained you identity 0 as additive identity. See here. Here. The property of 0. When 0 is added to a rational number, we get the same rational number. This is known as 0 property. So same thing is here. When we are adding 0 to minus 11 upon 13, we will get minus 11 upon 13. The reciprocal of 7 upon 13, in reciprocal, numerator will be written in denominator and denominator will be written in numerator. So it will be 13 upon 7. Minus 5.23 into 1. When we multiply any rational number by 1, we get the same rational number. Minus will be written already here. Minus is already here, so we will write 5 upon 23. It is minus 5.23. Second question is for matching. In matching, there are answers given. Students, you will not draw these lines like this as you did in matching. First, you will write this. Match the following A, B, C, D, E. Then you will write the correct answer in front of these matching. The multiplicative inverse of 9. What should be multiplicative of inverse? In multiplicative inverse, we write numerator in denominator, denominator in numerator. So it is 9 upon 1. It means multiplicative inverse will be 1 upon 9. See here two answers. One is minus 1 upon 9. Second is 1 upon 9. In multiplicative inverse, sign is not changed. So its multiplicative inverse is 1 upon 9. We will write like this in front of it. Do not draw lines. Multiplicative identity. Which number is known as multiplicative identity? 1. I explained you just now all the properties. Additive identity. What is the additive identity? 0. Reciprocal of 1 upon 9. Its reciprocal will be 9 upon 1. 9 upon 1 means 9. The additive inverse of 1 upon 9. In additive inverse, we change the sign. So additive inverse of 1 upon 9 is minus 1 upon 9. This is minus 1 upon 9. You will do question number 1 and 2 in the notebook. Clear? Question number 3. Write the additive inverse of the following rational numbers. I have written this question here like this. Now we will write. We will do additive inverse of 1. What is the additive inverse of 1? In additive inverse, to write the additive inverse, we change the numerator and denominator, or sign. We change the sign. We change the sign. So additive inverse of this is plus 1. It will be minus 1. Additive inverse of 0 is 0 because there is no sign in 0. Neither plus nor minus. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. Additive inverse of minus 2 upon 7. This minus will change to plus. So plus 2 upon 7 means only 2 upon 7. We will not put here plus sign. Additive inverse of 11 upon 17. 11 upon 17 means plus 11 upon 17. So it will be minus 11 upon 17. Additive inverse of minus 1 upon 10. It will be plus 1 upon 10. Means 1 upon 10. Additive inverse of 1 upon 19 will be minus 1 upon 19. Come to next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, in this question we have to write reciprocal. See here. Write the reciprocal of the following rational numbers. Reciprocal of minus 3 upon 11. There are two options. Reciprocal of minus 3 means we will write plus 3 upon 11. We will change the sign, or we will change the numerator and denominator. We will write minus 11 upon 3. Which is the correct answer? This is the additive inverse, not reciprocal. Reciprocal is minus 11 upon 3. To write reciprocal, we change the numerator and denominator. So reciprocal of 5 upon 12 is 12 upon 5. Reciprocal of 9 upon 15 is 15 upon 9. Reciprocal of 12 upon minus 17 is minus 17 upon 12. Reciprocal of minus 8. Minus 8 means minus 8 upon 1. So reciprocal of minus 8 will be minus 1 upon 8. Reciprocal of 5. 5 means 5 upon 1. So its reciprocal will be 1 upon 5. I think there should be no difficulty up to here. But still, if you have any difficulty, any problem, you can ask from me by sending a WhatsApp message to my personal number. Clear? Now, its remaining question number 5 and 6. Only up to 6. Question number 5 and 6 we will do in the next class. Okay, students? Thank you and have a nice day.